Hello, my name is Jayden Glover. I'm from Palm Middle School, and I am in eighth grade. And today I was sharing my Android Studios project. So as you can see here, it's a calculator I created. So before we get into that, here's a design of the calculator base. So when you start it off, it's normally your blank stuff, and you have to input stuff. For example, these are image buttons. So when you click something, you have the code something to happen. And these are table rows, which shows like a line where you can hold a container of some stuff and the layout stuff and all that. And then the coding part. This is a very complicated challenge because there's so many factors to play in, like what numbers are pressed, when is it going to be a multi-digit number, what operators are pressed, and when to do the operation, and stuff like that. So a helpful thing is running your code throughout the process so you know what breaks and what doesn't. And also a lot of variables. That helps in variables are like containers for stuff. So, for example, I use a lot of variables for the operation signs. For example, let's say I did 6 times, and that multiplication stores it into a container until I need it. So we do 6 times 6, and then once I click this equal sign, then it takes out the multiplication out of this container and then uses it to do the operation. And then, or let's say I did 6 to the power of 2. When I click the power, it puts it in a container, and then when I click equals, it takes it out of the container. Same thing with the subtraction and um, addition, also negative. You got to be able to toggle and stuff like that. Now, some bugs I have on my code are negatives. So if we did negative 33 plus 3, it does give 30, negative 30. But if you do, let's say 6, oh, also if you double click an operation, it crashes because it can't interpret that. There's no code in that whatsoever to help that. So yeah, so we see 3 plus, it gives you 6. And I'm also trying currently to work on decimal points because that's pretty hard. So yeah, thanks for watching.